Hello everyone, today's training will be on handling a call. So you should have already watched the previous recordings, which show you how to log on to In Contact and the main interface, some basic information on the main interface. If you haven't watched those videos, just go ahead and pause this video and go back to those, or you'll end up being a little lost. So let's go ahead and get started. Just so you know, this training will be multi-part, so definitely stay tuned for the additional trainings on this as well. So our major focus in this video is going to be on incoming calls. So the one thing to note is that when you are receiving an incoming call, first thing is that you must be available to take the call. So when you first sign in to Max Agent, you're always going to be on an unavailable status. So just go ahead and make yourself available. The available code is highlighted in green. Once you make yourself available, you will receive a call. The call will go to your phone. So it will sound through your phone, not your computer. Once your phone rings, go ahead and answer your phone. And then what you'll basically hear is a beep sound. And that beep sound basically indicates that you have been connected with a caller. So once you hear that beep sound, you can go ahead and greet the caller. All right. So now I want to talk about the incoming call workspace. So the very first thing that you'll see when a call comes through is the person's telephone number. So in this sample, you'll see the person's name. That only will occur if you are if you're connected to another contact specialist. Our system will not indicate the person's name. Again, unless it's a contact specialist. So you'll see the name, how long you've been on the call, and then below that, you'll see some really cool features. This is an older picture. So really what you will be seeing is the hold and the mask button. So in this, you see hold, mute, and record, but in actuality, you'll see the hold and mask button. Below that, you'll see transfer and hang up. We do not use the commit and launch feature at this time. Maybe that's something we'll do in the future, but currently we do not. All right. And then below that, you'll also see like a dialing pad, so you can utilize that dialing pad as well. All right. And when you're using Max Agent, just keep in mind that you can also the blue bar, so this blue section, you can hover over it and this will appear. So you do still have access to your address book and to feedback and all of that stuff that we talked about in our um, in the past trainings. Okay. You can also hang up um, using Max Agent. So to hang up, you would just click the hang up and then click hang up again. If you accidentally pressed the hang up button, you could just go ahead and resume. You could also transfer from here, and we'll talk a little bit more about transferring a little later. But to transfer, you just click on the transfer button, go ahead and type the number in, and select the outbound scale that you need. All right. So I also want to really quickly talk about what is callback. So with a regular call, like I stated, you answer the call using your cell phone and you hear a beep, right? But a callback, which is basically what a callback is it reserves a contact's place in queue, allowing the contact to hang up, and then the contact center, which is us, will return the call. So that usually you could think about like whenever you call like your bank or card company or something like that, it will ask you like, would you like to receive a call back or would you like to wait in line? And that's basically what it is. So what you will hear is the system will call us back when it's their turn in line, and we will hear a ring on our end, right? And so we will start our introduction after the client answers the phone and they say hello. And then we'll say, thank you for calling 211 Virginia. This is Bianca. I'm just giving you a call back. And then you'll just kind of continue on with your flow. Okay. If the phone rings and you hear like a voice message or something like that, you just go ahead and tag the call, and we'll talk about tagging the call a little bit and then you disconnect. All right. We'll stay tuned to the next video.